Today's show is sponsored by Reflections, located on the west side of the square. Call them at 812-723-1111.
PHS News Today for Monday, October 21st. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. In honor of football sectionals, we will be having dress-up days. Today is PJ Day, Tuesday is Boot Stomper Day, Wednesday is Disney Day, Thursday is Throwback Day, Dress as a Younger You, and Friday is All Out Purple and Gold. There will be an announcement later in the day on whether Powder Puff football will be inside or outside tonight. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the radar today, we will see that there will be rain all day today. Today we have a high of 70 and a low of 47. Looking at the weather for the beginning of your week, we have a high of 61 and a low of 41 on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday we have a high of 67 and a low of 47. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.